Police and fire services have dealt with hundreds of incidents on another chaotic bonfire night in Glasgow. Local residents reported neighbourhoods sounding like war zones as the skies exploded into life to the sound of fireworks. However, reports of unruly behaviour were also made in several areas, including Govan and Pollokshaws. Our 3 operations control rooms in Edinburgh, Glasgow and Dundee have already handled more than 370 calls and mobilised crews to more than 280 incidents tonight. Read about how OCs deal with bonfire night, and how we won't tolerate verbal abuse, https://t.go/h6b19ojcompic.twitter.com/kcmofwaku. Scottish Fire and Rescue Service, SFRS, control rooms reported dealing with more than 370 calls and responded to over 280 incidents. Police Scotland said a full breakdown of disorder and action taken against those responsible would be released later this week. More to follow. For more on this story, visit the news article link.